Okay, students, we are in the lesson exponent. Last week you have learned the basic of exponent and few of the sum of exponent. Things are very interesting and I will tell you easy also. Once you have the conception of exponent, you will get really amusement to solve all this sum. So make maths the fun of you. Then only you can enjoy this subject. And I will tell you, if you can make math the fun, no, you will find yourself lots of satisfaction, because this is a subject, it is very interesting and really it is a resources of entertainment also. That is why. So exponent, we have begun in the last week. A few of the sums of this exponent is left over for you. So that we will finish first. Then the next lesson is about your standard form of some of the other things are there that we'll learn it. But let us learn first this exponent exercise 5a, remaining sums. Question number 7 till 6 I have covered in the previous video. Now it's time to cover 7 onwards. So 7 I have taken. You have to find out the value of A and B. A and B, you need to find out the value. It is given in this format. See, to solve, this is an algebraic sum, the most, the concept of algebra like things are there. Some of the variable is also used in this, and some of the book it is in the part of algebra also. So see, listen, here it is 2 to the power a whole to the power 5 is there, is equal to b to the power 35. You have to place a and b with some of the numerals so that it will satisfy both the side of the equation. So if you make 2 to the power 7 to the power 5, then 7 5 is 35, it will come. First thing. Moreover, here if you make it 2 to the power 35, then you can write down this as a as 7, so the 7 to the power 35. Definitely b will become 7 5 is 35, it is power become 35, so b will become 2. So a is equal to, you can frame this particular equation as 2 to the power 7 whole to the power 5 2 to the power 35. There is no standard rule for it. You understand? You have to place the letter with some of the numerals so that it will satisfy both the part of the equation. Could you understand? So here definitely if you place 7 and then in place of b if you put 2, then that will be because as it is 2 is there, so a if you find out, then b automatically it will be 2 because here the base is 2, so this side also base will be 2. Only thing its power we need to find out. Here already given 35, therefore 5 divided by 35 7 will be. So here 2 to the power 7 whole to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the power 35. A is equal to 7, B is equal to 2. I hope you have understood it. Moving on to question number 8. Question number 8 says to you, as a power of prime numbers, you have to make the base as a product of prime numbers so that whatever the power comes, and that you have to do. So what you need to do, I have taken question number 3 and question number 5. So what you need to do, just see, question number 3 is 7 to the power minus 2 whole to the power minus 7. Here is a power tower law. So power, these two power will be multiplied. Minus 2 into minus 7, that will become 14. So 7 to the power minus 2 into minus 7 is equal to 7 to the power 14 it comes, no? So 7 to the power 14, because the base is a prime number, you are replying to the question as a power of prime number. So 7 to the power 47 will be the answer. Now 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 7, that can be written as 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 7. That's a law-like thing. You are supposed to remember that. Something, 3 and 2 to the power. Suppose you have got 6 to the power 3. Then 2 into 3 to the power 3. That is equal to 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. That you must know it, okay? So this much is this. So you can write down that. Now moving on to simplification. Now the real solving of exponent idea has come. 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power q, 2q, 5 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 3. See, if you put the law, then you can solve it as base same a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m plus n, that is 2 to the power 5. First you have written once the sum, copied the sum from the question paper to your copy or your exam paper. Now 2 to the power 2 plus 3 into 5 to the power, see here, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, so a to the power m minus n, 5 minus 4. Could you understand? Now 2 to the power 5 I have kept in first step. Now the power of the numerator 2 become 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 minus again 2 to the power 5 is there. So that can be a to the power m divided by a to the power n, which is equal to 2 to the power m minus n into 5. If you subtract the power, it will become 5 to the power 1. So here will be 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 1, which is equal to anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. You know that I have proved also last day. So 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 into 5 to the power 1 is equal to 1. So that 5 is the answer. I hope you have understood it. Now moving on to the sixth question. 3q into 2 to the power 5. I will solve this one in other process by cancelling it. I will solve it. But here I have implemented the law. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to the power a to the power m plus n. I will tell you the law once again. Please try to learn it. See, suppose 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 7. The law says 2 to the power 5 plus 7, 12. Okay. Division law I will tell once. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 7. It is 2 to the power 5 minus 7. Denominator will be, so 2 to the power minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 square. Okay. So anything to the power minus power means the base will be reciprocal and the power will be positive. Base will be reciprocal and power. That concept I will discuss once again. 5 to the power minus 2 means 5. This is 5 by 1. No, 5 by 1. 1 by 5 to the power 2. So base has to be, base was numerator, base will be denominator, then only power will become positive. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Now moving on to the next question, I have taken this one. This one, see, 3 minus 3 to the power q into minus 2 to the power 5 into 7 to the 7 square minus 1 to the power, I have copied the sum. Now see what you need to do. I will do the simplification. See, anything minus 2 square and plus 2 square value is same. 7 square and 7 square will be cancelling, because here also it will be 49, here also it will be 49. Okay. Now similarly, this 2 to the power 5 and minus 2 to the power 5 cannot cancel. Here minus 1 will be there, because it will be, the answer will come in minus, but the answer will be same numerical value. Could you understand? So minus 1. Now minus 1 to the power 5 means minus 1. You can cancel this minus 1 and minus 1, then the value remain, 3 to the power minus 3. 3q means 27, but power is odd and negative, odd power and negative base. So base will be negative, minus 27 will be the answer. Answer of this question will be minus 27. Moving on to simplification, question number 10. 3 square into 5q. 3 square into 5q are written. How will you solve it? Now, if 15 square you split into 3 into 5 square. Can you write down 15 as 3 into 5? That I have written in a bracket. Now, what we have done? 3 square into 5q. Here 3 square and 5 square. This power you have split it to both the base. Could you understand? Now cancelling. 3 square will be cancelled with 3 square. 5 square can cancel 5 to the power 3, but 5 to the power 1 is remaining. A to the power m minus n, if you do it, no subtraction of the power. So 5 to the power 1, answer will be 5 only. So answer is 5 to the, anything to the power 1 is equal to the base itself. Now moving on to question number 4. See, question number 4 says to you that 15 square minus 12q minus 18 square. That every number is free. 3 into 5 square into 3 into 4 square. So 3 into 4 whole to the power q. That 4 I have split it again to 2 square. Okay. Now 18, 3 into 2 into 3. 3 to the 6, 6 3 is 18 whole power. Now what happened, Now children, you see, this became what? 3 square, 5 square, then 3q, then 2 to the power 2 into 3, 6. That you have done. Now you go for the cancellation. See, 3 square will be cancelled into 3 square. And this 3 square can cancel, and then this will become 3 to the power 1 means 3. Now 2 square can cancel, it will become 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 and 5 square remains. So it will become 25. Denominator is nothing, means 1 into 3 into 2 to the power 4 means it will become, 4 4s are 16. If you multiply this, it will become 40, I think, how much? 1200, I think so. You just multiply, it will be 75 into 16, or 48 into 25, you multiply, 48 into 25, 40, 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24, then 42 will become 96, then it will become 0, 0, 1200, yeah, it became 1200, I said it will become 1200, it seems, so it is 1200. So 1200 is the answer. Did you get it? You split, whenever some square is done in the bracket, you split the number, base you split into the two product of the prime factor, then you go make the power, then you separate the power and write down as a product form like this, and then you go for cancellation. It will be easy. Now we will do the simplification. See, this 11th one I have taken, 12 cube, 15 square, 20 cube, 6 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4, 2 square. What I have done, 12 cube means 3 cube and 4 cube, 3 4s are 12. 3 into 4 within bracket, the bracket work I have not done, directly I have done. This within the bracket work I have not done, directly I have done. This 3 cube into 4 cube. 15 can be 3 square into 5 square. 20 can be 4 cube into 5 cube. Now this can be 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. This can be 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4, and this will be 2 to the power 2 square. Now 4 again can be made into 2 power of 2. 2 square means 2 to the power 6 it will become. So 3 cube, 2 to the power 6 into 3 square into 5 square into 2 to the power 6 into 5 cube. Now this here is 3 to the power 4 minus into 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 into 2 square. Now you will be doing the cancellation. See, 3 square, 3 to the power 4 has cancelled with this. Then if you do that, this has cancelled and 3 came, this is cancelling and 3 square, 3 has gone. Then 2 to the power 4 is cancelled with 2 square, and then 2 square cancel, 5 to the power 4 cancel with 5 square, then and this become 5 to the power 3, then 5 came, then 5 where it cancel, 5 will be cancelling this, and then it will become 5, and 3 will be cancelling this, then it will remain with 3 into 5 into 4. 3 is this is a 3 square, 3 will be remain there. This 3 already cancelled and made 3. So remains with 3 into 5 into 4, and which is equal to 60. 60 will be the answer. This 3 already cancelled. Okay, 60 will be the answer. Moving on to the question number 12 is very simple, that I will cover in the next video.